Hi everyone, I'm at Still Springs Ridge today, a new construction community here in Bellevue. It is Pre-Drywall Walk and it's a really special day because my husband Aaron and I, we're the buyers. We're buying this home. It's almost ready for sheetrock. Plumbing and electrical are in, and we get to see the bones of the house and learn about all the systems. I have my Sharpie. I've watched many buyers over the years write special messages on the studs throughout their new home, and I get to do that today, and it's really exciting. We're about 90 to 120 days out, and I can't wait. Check it out. If you have questions about the build process and how it all works, I encourage you to reach out. I represent lots of buyers on new builds, and one thing that many people don't realize is you don't have to use the builder rep to write your contract. You can have your own individual representation. You deserve the best service possible when you're building your new home, and having a buyer's agent represent you is one of them. Most builders fairly compensate buyer's agents, and you don't have to pay that commission. So if you have questions or you're thinking about building a new home, please reach out.